Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joice Hair. Today's video I will show you the most popular hair colors with our hair extensions. This will help you see more clearly of the color of the hair and help you to find what is the best hair colors for your skin. If you like this video and channel, please subscribe, and if you want the best hair extensions, please contact Joice Hair or place order on www.joicehair.com. Enjoy this video.